I think. Oh yeah, now it's recording, I think.
That's the red button it should be.
And now the red, yeah.
Yeah, and then come around and get straight on for a minute. And kind of pause up in the front.
Okay.
Just stay there for a second and drop my head. Stand up. No, don't move yet. This is important. I just want to see this position right here. Okay. Now go over the other side and then the back, a little bit on the back. Get completely sideways and get a car down in this position. And you go ahead and get a shot in the back.
My pleasure.
What's that?
My pleasure.
Oh. And that's it. Just put it on my phone and take a look.
Okay. Just touch the stop button.
Yeah.